coming at you live, well, recorded tonight from the comfort of my pretty warm kitchen because it's cold out there this winter. Fragile box delivered from UPS today from East Coast Supra. And I bet you could tell by the shape of this box and the thumbnail that this is a brand new steering wheel for the Supra. Haven't opened it yet. I ordered this from the Black Friday sale that they had, and it got here the first week of January. So that's pretty good, about 6 weeks. And I know I'm going to be happy with it, and I'm going to hand the camera over to the wife so I can kind of step back and open this up and get the reaction from all of us here. So here you go, babe. Are you ready? Mm-hmm. All right, let's see. I'm so excited. All right. I haven't even peeked. I've seen other people open them. All right. Ghost. Oh, the cats will love that. No. All right, East Coast Supra. Hiding down here. Oh, the cats are going to have too much fun with that. I think I'm going to try to tear this open.
Put it on the floor.
Oh my gosh. Yeah, they're just going to go everywhere. Let's do it on the floor. Well, I do have to say they packaged it really well. There. I'll deal with that in a minute. We'll hear the cats playing with it. Probably. All right. Getting excited?
Very.
Me too.
I've only seen a picture.
Yeah, oh, me too. That's the back of it. It's the back.
I can see there is some red though.
Oh, there's some red showing. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
That is so pretty.
Carbon fiber and the red Alcantara. Or Suede, whatever you want to call it.
And I like the...
Oh my gosh. It is beautiful. Flat bottom. Of course, I got to take my steering wheel off and transfer all the... Oh, it feels good. Paddles go back here. Look at that, how amazing that is. I don't see any flaws. That's absolutely amazing. Oh, I'm very excited about that.
Now finally hit the car.
Yeah. So, the car is gone being worked on. It's still at the stereo shop having all the work done. So, it's going to be a bit. So we'll have a whole install video of, putting it in. So to kind of be like another unveiling of it once we get to that video in a few weeks. Hopefully I can get to it then. But once all the components are installed, thing's beautiful. Thank you, babe, for filming that. Oh, look at that. So I did the red with this white stitching because the factory stitching is considered silver, and it's a lot beefier of a grip. The stock one, is like this. So this is just more meat to hold on to. So I'm so happy with that. That looks so killer. Well, haven't had a whole lot of Supra stuff going on because I've been in the shop getting the stereo worked on. I have a whole bunch of other boxes I need to get unpacked and share the video. But this will be a shorty, and stay tuned. I'll probably have some videos coming out real soon. We got a couple new unboxings to do and an update from the stereo shop really soon. So I know it's been a little dry around the holidays here, but thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button, like button, notification button if you want. You know how YouTube works. So thanks a lot. See ya.